Ever been told that cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis? Well, that's a myth. That sound? It's just gas bubbles in your joint fluid collapsing, not your bones grinding. When you stretch your fingers, the pressure in your joints drops, and dissolved gases form bubbles. When those bubbles collapse, pop! That's the sound. Multiple studies found no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. One scientist even cracked the knuckles of only one hand for 60 years. The result? No difference at all. For most people, no. But if you feel pain, swelling, or stiffness, that could be a sign of something else. So listen to your body. Busted. Knuckle cracking is annoying, but it won't wreck your joints. Do you crack your knuckles? Let me know in the comments.